Hello friends, this is Adrika Vodare from Extra Coding YouTube channel. So friends, in today's video we're gonna learn about lstrip, rstrip and strip method. So here I will make a new file tude13.py. Okay. So friends, lstrip, rstrip and strip method are used to remove spaces. So suppose I make a variable here name and give it extra. Okay. And let me add some space here and here also. And after this, let me make name 2 and here let me write coding. Okay. Here let's write name 1. Okay. Now if we add it, or we can say we concatenate these two variables, name 1 and name 2. See, here is a lot of space coming, right? But if you want to remove this space, what can you do? So here we will write here print name1 dot lstrip plus name2. Okay, so what will lstrip do? It will remove the left side space. Okay, see, it has removed this space, the left side space, this one. Okay, as you can see here, but this space is still coming. So here we can use rstrip method, name1 dot rstrip. Okay, and then we will add the name 2. See, here it has removed the right side space, but left side space is still coming. So what can we do to remove both the spaces? We can write here print name dot strip. Okay, here we will write name 1. You have to be careful with the variable names. Okay, see, now the left side space has also been removed and the right side space has also been removed, as you can see here. So hope you guys got to know what are lstrip, rstrip and strip methods and what are their functions and how do they work. So that's it for today's video. See you soon in my next video guys. Thank you for being with me till the end of the session.